is another Broken Egg Cafe. Cool location. Very cool restaurant. Well guys, welcome to Fish Hook. Amy and I have found a really cool place. We were in Pensacola this weekend and we ate at a very cool restaurant. It was so darn good that we ate there twice. And we found out that there's 78 locations. They're even in Tennessee, I understand. I don't know about the menu's the same, but we are here outside in the Tampa Bowl area at One Broken Egg. This is a very cool restaurant, mainly because the variety on the menu is excellent. Tremendous amount of seafood, fresh seafood. That's what really drew me to this. We experimented the first time, we're blown out of our seats. What do you think?
I really liked my omelet that I got. It had lobster in it, so that
and
was
brie
a real
cheese too.
treat. Yeah, you don't get that at every breakfast restaurant.
So I'll tell you how good it is. I'm ordering the same breakfast I had in Pensacola. This is called a Mardi Gras omelet. Now they're doing this different over here. Everything is scanning with these little QC things, so you can download the scan code on your iPhone, and this is what we got to deal with. So mine is called, for the menu anyhow, mine is called, what was it, the Mardi, I believe it's the Mardi Gras, wasn't it? Yeah, I can't even find it. I got to scroll through my menu. This is so new to me to do it this way. But a Mardi Gras omelet, which it's filled with Louisiana crawfish, Gulf shrimp, andouille sausage, peppers tossed with a tomato, hollandaise, and green onions. I am telling you, it's to die for. It is excellent. So if you guys want a really cool restaurant, it's like on a Panera theme where the colors is very low key. It is excellent. Is it worth coming here?
Yeah, why don't you read mine?
Oh yeah. You got the cinnamon. I got
what I had the other day, the lobster.
Oh yeah, what did you get? Let's see. I gotta scroll through this. Sorry guys. Let me get. Man, did I jam this up? Yes.
Lobster and brie.
Yeah, she got a lobster and brie omelet. Now, let me tell you, there were chunks of lobster in this. It is cream cheese filled. That doesn't make your mouth drool. Omelet topped with brie cheese and champagne butter sauce. Oh my goodness, sauteed lobster meat, tomatoes, and green onions. 850 calories. It's not going to break the bank. You tell me.
Yeah, just a light dinner.
Just a light dinner.
That's it, skip lunch.
If you eat like this is 10:30 in the morning for us, we're gonna skip lunch after this. This will hold you over for a half a day or better. I need a lot of energy. This holds me for a solid 4 or 5 hours. So we're waiting for our meal to come, and we're gonna catch up back with you. I want to show you what these meals look like. You guys are gonna really enjoy this. Well, guys, guess what? The meal has been served. Look at Amy's meal. Oh my gosh. We're gonna split this. Cinnamon, what's it called? Cinnamon toast?
Cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll, like a French toast. What do you got, black raspberries on there?
Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries.
Nice. And 2 eggs over with their homemade sausage. This is an outrageous place. I've got potatoes. Can't resist that. Beautiful omelet and some syrup and butter. So we are going to, I want to break this open and show you guys. Okay, this one, no. I want to cut this. Oh yeah. I got full shrimp in there. You look at this, I'm going to get as close as I can. Is this not delicious? So
this is pretty outrageous.
Oh, she cheated. I was going to do the gentleman thing, offer her to eat first. She did it on her own. All right, honey. I want you to taste it. You do it and let me know honestly what you think. We haven't ordered this dish before. I just said
pretty outrageous. Wow.
Really good, huh? The fruits are pretty fresh. I'm going to try it too.
All right. You want a piece of fruit on it?
No, just raspberry. I like raspberry.
You're not into as sweet as I am.
Oh,
Too sweet?
yeah, a little bit too sweet for me, but that's delicious. If you're gonna make French toast, cinnamon raisin French toast is over the top. But we're here for seafood. Bottoms up.
How's that?
Oh, it's like we're back in Pensacola again. I want you to
we
have
went
some.
to that restaurant twice.
Yeah. Then you got nice pieces of sausage in there.
Nice.
Well, honey.
Can you try?
Yeah, here.
I'm gonna pour a spoon here. Yeah, this looks awesome.
Pretty good.
That's awesome. Nothing like a good omelet with lots of different things in there.
Oh, this is
You have a lot.
Louisiana crawfish and nice, probably about an inch wide shrimp. It's fresh, it's delicious. You guys will not go wrong. This is a great meal. Mine was like $12.99. What was yours?
I think around the same.
So for under $30, why don't you go impress your wife or your GF there? Impress her. Go out. We're celebrating July 4th today and tomorrow, really this weekend, our independence. I'm so glad to be living here in the good old USA. And you have great places like this to eat. And I want you guys to have a safe 4th. And we will catch you when we leave the restaurant. I want to show you what the outside looks like. Well, guys, I'm going to give you an honest review. The food looked great when it came. Now, I like broken egg. One broken egg is excellent. Don't take me wrong. This location, I'm going to think twice about coming back. Let me tell you why. We got our meal. Amy's meal, she loved it. The cinnamon French toast was excellent. It was really good. Too sweet for my liking, but she's a sweet tooth. She loved it. The service was slow as can be. The whole time we ate, never did one waitress come to our table and ask us how the meal was. Did we need a refill of our drinks? Nothing whatsoever. Secondly, the most upsetting and disappointing thing to me was, and I've got Pensacola Beach to compare to. It was so good the first time, we came back a second time. You know why? That omelet was that thick. It was busting out with shrimp and crawfish. If there was crawfish in there, he was in disguise mode because I didn't see it, and nor did I taste it. Maybe it was in there, and I've only tasted a couple of shrimp. It was dry and it was overcooked. I hate to say that, and this might be an off day for them. Service was really left a lot to be desired, and the food was overcooked. Broken Egg is excellent chain. We're going to try another one in Tampa. I believe in Clearwater there is another location. So before I leave Florida next week, we're going to another one, and we're going to have breakfast there, and we'll see how good it is. If you guys are new to the channel, thank you so much for watching Fish Hook. We appreciate you guys. Either the left or the right, there'll be a subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a good like if you like the video. Give me some really cool comments or even suggestions. Again, guys, we will see you on the next one. Take care.